Hi everyone, it's Victor here once again and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more. And for today, let me share with you how to make Mung Beans Sautee. This is a very traditional Filipino dish and lots of Filipinos love this dish, including myself. And my version here would use lots of different sources of protein, which include pork belly here, Manila clams, gambas or shrimps, as well as baby shrimps that's dried or dried baby shrimps. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys, and I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process in cooking this dish. Let's get started. Now we have to be systematic in cooking this dish, otherwise we're gonna be wasting our time. So I have already pre-boiled my water here in this pot, and to this I'm gonna add my 2.5 cups here of mung beans. And by the way, I have already washed these mung beans at least 3 times. So I never stopped washing my beans until the water, is clear. And what I'm going to do is to cover my pot here. Let this come to a boil and simmer for maybe 20 minutes until our mung beans have tenderized. So while we're waiting for our mung beans to tenderize, we'll prepare our other ingredients. And so we're going to start sauteing here our shrimp. And so my pan here is already nice and hot. I'm going to add olive oil in it. And into this I'm going to add about a teaspoon of garlic. And now that my garlic has started to sizzle, I'm going to add in my shrimp here. And this is, by the way, about 150 grams of shrimps that are deveined and headless. And I'm going to grind some black pepper on it. And then season it with a bit of salt. I'll give it a stir. Now that my shrimps are cooked, I'm going to take them off the pan. And I'm going to set this aside. And at this point, we're going to prepare our pork belly here. What I'm going to do is to add my pork belly in this same pot here. I'm going to season it with salt and grind some fresh black pepper in it. And I'll give it a stir. What I'm trying to do here is to cook my pork belly until the fatty portion of it has become crunchy and crispy. Pretty much like the pork crackling or chicharron. And this will definitely add more flavor to our sauteed mung beans. Now this is the kind of toastiness that I'm looking for my pork belly. At this point, I'm going to push it upwards here. And since I don't have much fat rendered from my pork belly, I'm going to add olive oil in it. And now it's time for me to saute my vegetables here. First to come in would be my 1 thumb of finely minced ginger. And now that my ginger has wilted, I'm going to add in my 1 finely minced onion. Give it a stir. And then I'm going to add my 6 cloves of finely minced garlic, together with my 1/2 chopped red bell pepper and 1 chopped plum tomato. Give this a stir. And at this point, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of dried baby shrimps, as well as 3 tablespoons of chopped scallion, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Give it a mix. And I will cover this and let this come to a boil and simmer for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes since I let my pork belly here simmer with my aromatics. And now it's time for me to add in my tenderized mung beans here. And what I'm going to do is to cover this and let this continue to simmer for another 7 to 10 minutes. So it's been 7 minutes since I let my pork belly and mung beans simmer here. It's time for me now to add in the rest of my ingredients. And first to go in would be my Manila Clams. This is about 400 grams. They are pre-cooked. And then I'm also going to add now my thinly sliced bitter gourd or bitter melon. This is 1 piece, by the way. Give it a mix. I will cover this again and let this simmer for another 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes since I let this simmer again. I'm going to taste this now for salt. So it's kind of bland right now and it definitely needs salt. So I'm going to add quite a bit of it. Like a tablespoon of salt. Give this a mix. Even scrape the bottom of the pan. Make sure that none of the ingredients are sticking at the bottom. So this one is really cooked, and for the final step, I'm going to add in my sauteed shrimp together with my sliced lettuce. So I'm going to give it a mix and let this lettuce here come down and wilt because I have more leafy greens to add. And finally, my 200 grams here of pepper leaves. It really looks voluminous here, but they're gonna wilt later on. So what I'm gonna do is to push them down, same as my lettuce, and then let this wilt. So what I'm gonna do at this point is to let this simmer for another 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. We're gonna give it a final mix. Just kind of move everything around. Scrape the bottom of it again. Scrape the sides. Our sauteed mung beans here is cooked and ready to serve. Hi guys, I'm back here with my final product, my Mung Beans Sautee. I've already tasted it. It's really tasty, and for me, I've hit the nail right on the head in this one in terms of the taste. And so I hope you guys would give it a try, and once you do, please let me know what you think about this dish by writing down your comments in the comment section below. Again, thank you for watching today, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.